Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about how to learn English, how we can start speaking, how we can start writing. First of all, the first thing that we have to do is to take initiative. If we don't start learning, if we don't start speaking, if we don't start writing, we will never be able to become a good writer, good speaker. So first of all, what we have to do is to take initiative. Start speaking, start reading, start writing, then you will become a good speaker in the end as a result after some time. You will have to work hard for this. First you learn. For example, you learn few sentences, 2, 3, 4 sentences. After that, after learning those few sentences, you should practice those sentences with your friends. As far as spoken English is concerned, if you want to improve your spoken ability, your spoken English, you have to practice with your friend, with your family, with your brothers, anyone who is available for you. Practice is necessary for spoken English. Practice is must for spoken English. You need to have preferably, you should have a person who knows English, who knows how to speak English, how to pronounce well. Practice with a person who knows something about English. Practice makes a man perfect. You keep on practicing. And second thing is, for example, you have learned three sentences about your introduction. What you have to do is to convey those three sentences to the next person. Teach those sentences to the next person, to someone else. By teaching those few sentences, you will be able to retain those sentences in your memory. It means you are consolidating your own knowledge by this way. What you have to do is to teach to others. That's why the Holy Quran says that propagate even if you know one ayah, one verse. If you know one verse, propagate it to others. It means by propagating to others, it not only benefits them, it will also benefit you. Because by teaching to others, your own knowledge becomes consolidated, remain in your memory for a longer period of time. So learn something and teach to others. Learn, practice with someone and teach to others. These are the key things. And keep on consistency. The third thing to keep in mind is consistency. If you learn by fits and starts, if you speak by fits and starts, if you write by fits and starts, sometimes you do something, and sometimes you read something, sometimes not. You work by fits and starts, you can't succeed. You will have to be consistent. Consistency is key to success. Keep learning consistently, keep practicing consistently, and keep teaching consistently to others. In this way, you will be able to learn more and more knowledge. Insofar as writing is concerned, unless you start writing yourself, you will not become a good writer. You have to start writing few sentences. For example, you have learned 3 or 4 sentences in the beginning. Write those sentences and keep practicing writing. Reading, writing, listening. For the listening purposes, we have social media, we have TV, we have lot of things. We have videos. We can watch videos on YouTube. For listening purpose, there is no problem at all. There was a time when we had very limited resources, very limited means of listening, means of communication, very limited. But now the means are quite open. We have TV, we have Facebook, we have all the social media. We can watch videos, we can listen to radios. So many things are available for us to listen, to to fulfill our listening desire. There was a time when only radio was available, and we had to listen to a lot of radio. BBC English service was 24/7 available. We had been listening that, and reading a newspaper for the vocabulary purposes. Reading a newspaper is a very effective source of information. Newspaper. You know, newspaper contains all sorts of vocabulary. You can find news of all sorts, all types of news there. You can see vocabulary about showbiz, about thefts, all about political issues. You find different variety of vocabulary on newspapers. You can use the medium of newspaper for enhancing your vocabulary. But again, what you have to do is to start learning. Start learning. You will find so many sources, so many platforms from where you can get knowledge. Start learning, and keep on teaching to others, and practice with others. In spoken English, keep in mind one thing. If you speak English with someone else and you will have to speak loudly. If you don't speak loudly, you just speak in your mind, in your heart. You keep on repeating those sentences in your heart, but not speak loudly with someone else. You don't practice with someone else. In this, without speaking loudly with someone else, you can't become a fluent speaker. You can't become a good speaker. Your pronunciation can't be improved. These things must be kept in mind to learn a language, a new language. Learning a new language is a consistency, is a work of consistency. Keep learning. I hope you will start learning from now onward, and you will teach to others, and become a benefit for the humanity, for other people. So inshallah, hope you would have learned something new from me. So inshallah, we will meet in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.